Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about tuples in Python. A tuple in Python is an ordered and unchangeable collection of elements specified within parentheses. Tuples can store various data types, such as integers, strings, and even other tuples. For example, a tuple representing the coordinates of a point in a 2D space would be defined as x, y. Once created, the elements within a tuple cannot be altered. This immutability makes tuples useful for situations where data integrity and unchangeability are essential, like storing static information, such as days of the week, or coordinates in a game. Tuples in Python are created by encapsulating comma-separated values within parentheses. For instance, a tuple can be defined as follows: Python myTuple equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This specific tuple, myTuple, contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 within it. Tuples in Python are ordered collections of elements, where each element can be accessed using index values. The indexing of tuple elements starts from 0. For example, if we have a tuple named myTuple containing elements 1, 2, 3, myTuple 0 will output 1. Tuples in Python can be concatenated using the plus operator and repeated using the star operator. For example, if you have two tuples, tuple 1 equals 1, 2, 3, and tuple 2 equals 4, 5, 6, you can concatenate them by writing concatenated tuple equals tuple 1 plus tuple 2. When you print concatenated tuple, you will get the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This shows that tuples can be combined like lists using the plus operator. Tuples in Python are data structures that cannot be altered once they are created. This immutability ensures that the values within a tuple remain constant throughout their existence. If an attempt is made to modify the elements of a tuple, a type error will occur, preventing any changes to be made to the tuple. For instance, trying to reassign a value at a specific index in a tuple will result in a type error being raised, as demonstrated by the code snippet provided. Tuples in Python are like ingredients in a recipe. They are fixed and cannot be changed once defined. Just like a recipe requires specific ingredients in a specific order, tuples hold values in a specific sequence. For example, imagine a tuple storing the dimensions of a box: length, width, height. This tuple can be used in a program to easily calculate the volume of the box by multiplying the dimensions together. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. In the provided Python code snippet, we start by defining a tuple named box dimensions that contains 3 elements representing the dimensions of a box: length, width, and height. Subsequently, we access each element of the tuple using index-based access and assign them to individual variables, length, width, and height. Afterwards, we calculate the volume of the box by multiplying the 3 dimensions together. Finally, the code prints out the original tuple box dimensions and the calculated volume of the box. Tuples in Python are immutable, ordered collections of elements. They are commonly used to store related pieces of information together. In this case, the tuple box dimensions conveniently groups the dimensions of the box together, allowing for easy retrieval and calculation of the volume. Moreover, tuples are often used in scenarios where the data should remain constant or unchanged. Like in this example with fixed box dimensions, tuples in Python are not only limited to representing dimensions, they are also widely used in various real-world applications. One industrial example of using tuples is in inventory management systems. In a warehouse, tuples can be employed to store information about products, such as the product code, description, quantity, and price. By using tuples, these related pieces of data can be grouped together in a structured way, facilitating efficient retrieval and manipulation of the information. Another application of tuples can be found in data analysis. For instance, in a dataset containing information about weather conditions like temperature, humidity, and wind speed, tuples can be utilized to store these multidimensional data points. By leveraging the immutability and structure of tuples, data scientists can easily process and analyze the data with confidence in its integrity. Overall, tuples in Python offer a versatile and dependable way to organize and work with related data elements effectively, making them a valuable tool in various industrial and real-world scenarios. Across the globe, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.